It's 2020, and the benefits of AP invoice process automation are more important than ever before. Remote accounts payable workers are struggling to access invoice information to get legitimate invoice data into ERP systems for payment. Inefficient electronic efforts to shorten days payable outstanding, or DPO, are actually making DPO longer. Cost cutting across all organizations and all departments is now the focus. It is not a secret or a surprise that AP departments cost organizations money. But with invoice automation, AP departments can show huge cost savings. As a straightforward example, over the years, Accounts Payable have reported that the cost to an organization to pay a bill have ranged widely from $6 to $45. The wide range accounts for organizations that have applied different degrees of technology to their invoice to pay processes. However, it should be noted that efficiency leaders see the cost to pay bills at less than $2. This leaves many organizations still not achieving available savings of more than $40,000 for every 10,000 invoices. At a time with the greatest pressures to reduce departmental costs, now is the time to fully automate and recognize the savings that is waiting for your organization. Let's look at some of the benefits to invoice to payment automation. Optimize your company's biggest asset, cash. Let's hear what Tromba has to say about this.
With Accounts Payable as one of an organization's largest consumers of cash, it is now paramount to squeeze any savings that can be found. Automating accounts payable processes enables AP to accurately project its pending cash requirements, entirely eliminating guesswork and negotiation. On-time payments to suppliers are required to capture early payment discounts. Many organizations still struggle with their days payable outstanding, or DPO, being 30 to 60 days. Not only are early pay discounts not possible, many late payment penalties get assessed and negatively affect balance sheets. With automation, DPO can be reduced to 5 to 10 days. This provides the ability to receive early pay discounts, negotiate dynamic discounts, and eliminate the negative impact of late payment penalties. There are also hidden cost benefits like elimination of document storage, transmission costs, office supply costs like paper, copiers, file folders, boxes, and more. Automation enables more scalable labor with technology doing more.
Strengthen internal controls. Tromba.
A manual AP process will be riddled with fraud. An automated AP process embeds controls that prevent, hinder, and deter fraud. This saves money. There's no way to adhere to and enforce any implementation of regulations like Sarbanes-Oxley with manual processing. Organizations with manual AP processes rely on audits. Those audits further increase the costs of the process while only providing a partial view into compliance. Tromba's AP invoice automation solution supports process simplification and centralization for better embedded, enforced, and auditable controls. Tromba's AP invoice automation solution helps an organization leverage technology to perform automated evaluation with escalations for duplicate invoices, invalid vendors, line item mismatches, high dollar payments, quick payment qualification, and much more.
Gain complete and clear visibility.
Any manual AP process suffers from lack of visibility. This is amplified with decentralized invoice receiving and different processes based upon how an organization receives invoices, like paper, email, faxes, and other methods. When invoices are sent to employees or field offices rather than directly to AP, invoices can sit for days, weeks, and months without AP even knowing that the organization has received those invoices. This can have a negative impact to vendor relationships and overly burden an AP department by draining resources and time to accommodate rush payments. When invoices are not visible at the end of accounting periods, there's a risk of not recognizing a material portion of liabilities. Incomplete accruals may understate expenses and thus overstate income. This can result in cutoff fraud. Tromba's AP invoice automation solution promotes centralized receipt, immediate capture, extraction, validation, and entry of data for all types of invoices. This accelerates the recognition of liabilities. It delivers a complete audit trail of every step and participant in the process. This puts management in the position to quickly resolve potential problems with full accountability. This also eliminates most inquiries, as employees, finance, and suppliers all have self-service access to invoice and payment status.
Satisfy customers.
AP has both internal and external customers. A manual process requires interoffice mail and email with cumbersome forms that are difficult to understand by everyone. An automated process makes it easy for internal customers and external suppliers to participate using self-service, browser-based interaction for inquiries, discrepancy resolution, and approvals via their desktop, tablet, or mobile device. This ensures adherence to organizational security and compliance standards. Lost invoices result in late payments and duplicate payments. This lowers supplier satisfaction and increases AP costs. These are all eliminated with Tromba's AP automation solution.
Improve quality.
Errors in AP are costly in all currencies, including dollars, euros, departmental productivity, cash flow flexibility, and the organization's reputation as well. The challenge is to understand where and why errors occur. Then AP can systematically address and eliminate them to improve quality. Tromba's AP automation solution significantly improves quality by eliminating much of the manual entry of information from invoices, by accelerating period end close with greater accuracy, by reducing the number of steps that AP processors are involved with to process invoices, and by leveraging the investment an organization has with their ERP system by direct integration.
Gain operational flexibility.
Accounts payable has to support an organization's strategy. This may require handling increased transaction values due to growth or acquisition. It may require displacement of functions into a different geography. It demands that AP provide higher value services, including spend analysis and forecasting. Manual and disparate processes are not responsive to change. If strategy or requirements change, manual, people-intensive, and non-standard processes can only adapt to these changes by investment of significant additional resources. Such processes are hard to move from one location to another, and manual and disparate processes encumber AP with low-value work and leave AP unable to staff higher-value services. Making process changes is much less expensive than increasing people costs in a highly manual and non-standardized process. Our automation solution facilitates the movement of functions to any geography. The process is easily extended in support of mergers and acquisitions while delivering an efficient process at a low cost. While control and compliance are critical in an AP process, flexibility is a must in today's economic environment. An AP process must be capable of responding to change, whether by dealing efficiently with one problematic invoice or by supporting business expansion, consolidation, or rationalization quickly. With Tromba's AP automation solution, organizations have full visibility of expenses and liabilities to help them control costs, plan budgets, and forecast with confidence.
Now is the time to begin your AP automation journey. The reasons to automate AP are clear, and much of the information needed to create a compelling business case are readily available to your finance department. Contact Tromba Technologies today to learn more about automating your AP invoice to pay process. Visit www.trombatech.com for more information.